Hey everyone, Dr. Charlie Johnson, physical therapist here. This video is for you if you have pain when you're sleeping, specifically when you're side sleeping. So if you're a side sleeper and you have back or leg pain, you likely have this issue, okay? So here's what's going on. So not a great picture, but here's a picture. They're snoozing, laying on their side. Let's just say this is their right side, okay? And what you see is that when you sleep on your side, you have basically 2 points of contact. So women typically have broader hips, men typically have broader shoulders, but what it ends up causing is basically causes one contact point here and one contact point here, okay? So think of this almost as like a bridge. And then in the middle, okay, your spine kind of sways. It almost forms like one of those bridges that you walk across, like a suspension bridge, okay? And what we see is that this kind of bend or twist in the spine can cause some irritation of the structures in the lower back and or the nerves that go down the leg, okay? So that's the issue that happens when you sleep, so I'm going to show you how to correct it, okay? And think of a bridge. How would you correct this bridge? It'll make sense in a minute here. So I'm going to show you just 2 things that you can do to kind of reduce this. Okay, so we just talked about the sway in the back. When you're sleeping on your side, it causes pain and irritation in some of the structures in the lower back and may even irritate your leg pain. So if you have trouble side sleeping, try these 2 different techniques. The first one is very common, and most people have kind of figured it out on their own or been recommended it, and it does seem to help. So let's try it. So first one you're going to do, if you're a side sleeper, you're going to lay on your side. And some of the issue we see is that as we sleep, the one leg kind of falls over, so we end up with kind of a twist in the back, which looks very similar to the picture we just kind of drew. So you're just going to put a pillow between the legs so that the legs don't fall over the body, or at least there's less of a chance, okay? So that's the first thing you're going to do or try. Now the second one is kind of nifty in that a lot of people don't know about it. So it's a cool little trick. A pillow might be too much. You could take like a beach towel and roll it up, but what you're going to do is you're actually going to lay so that it's kind of between your hip bones. So if you think about the bridge, right, it kind of supports the part of the suspension bridge that's falling towards the table. So it supports the spine in the middle. So you're going to lay down and just kind of put it on your side, so this way you're not swaying so much in the middle. You could combine the 2 and put one also between the legs. So those are just 2 things to try if you have trouble sleeping on the back that might be able to help you out.